Okay, in this video we're going to talk about the home page widget area. Now with Photoge theme we have two things we can do as far as the home page is concerned. I talk about this briefly in the theme options tutorial, and I'll go over it real quick again. If we come to the back end, we come to theme options, system pages, home page, we can set whether we want widgets to show here or actually pull information from a particular page. So we come here, and what we'll see is home page widget, or excuse me, home page content, and then right now it's set to widgets. If I set page content, it's going to display the page that I have chosen. Let me go ahead and save this. Excuse me. Now if I refresh, I'll see home page content. Of course, you can make it look a lot better than I have done here. I just kind of have some generic information, but you can style it just like you would any other particular page in content, where you can lay this out maybe better for yourself. So what I'm going to talk about is the actual widgets if you're going with the widget option. So let's refresh. Alright, there we go. Let's come back. Let's go to Appearance, Widgets, just like you normally would. And what we're going to see in the top right is a section for the widgets for the home page. And right now I have an image widget that I'm using, as well as a rubber text widget. Now the first thing I want to go over is the rubber text widget. You can actually use a series of these, and what we've done is set up the ability to create the size of your widget. And that's why we call it rubber text widget. So you'll see in here, I've set the width of this particular widget at 35%. I've added my text. So right here you'll see here's my title, my text, and then a read more. The read more, all you have to do is enter your hyperlink to where this is going to forward to, and it automatically will add this read more link. Now you can see that this thing is wider than these image widgets that we're using over here. And if I want to change that, I just simply change this number. So maybe I set this to 25%, save it, and refresh this. And now you can see it's much smaller, and these are more spaced out. Conversely, you can use more than one rubber widget and just properly space these out. So let me go ahead and pull out this inactive widget, and I'll do another, there it is, rubber one. Testing widget. And you're going to have to kind of guess on your percent in your math. I'm not really good at math, so I'm going to try 25. Paste in some text. I'm going to read more. Save it. Refresh. Now I have two widgets, and then you can see that obviously my numbers are off. My percent for what should be in here is off, so I would have to come back in here and adjust these percents to get them to line up. So if you're good at math, that shouldn't be a problem. Me, unfortunately, I'm terrible at it. Let me get rid of this thing. Let's go ahead and put back the one I had in there. Make sure this is correct. Okay. Alright. Now I have my text back in there and my images. Excuse me. Now you'll see this is blank now. I'll show you how to go over these image sections, the image widget, and what you do is you drag over your image widget from here. Let's go ahead and open up the options one, since that's the one that's missing. Give it your title, options, so we'll see that's the text that shows up right here. Your subtitle if you need it. So if I wanted the subtitle, put that there. Set your link, so when someone clicks it, where is it going to forward to? Blog, options, galleries, things like that. And then we want to upload our image. I'm going to go ahead and grab one from the media library. Let's just go ahead and use image. Save it. Refresh. Boom. And now what we'll see is our image with our rollover effect, and then our text, and then your title and sub if you actually need it. I prefer not to have it, but it's there if you want it. Remove that out. Update. That's it. Pretty easy. And I'm going to do another video strictly for the widgets that you would add to a sidebar and or for the blog section.